Court calls the case of the people versus Benita Goodwin.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Miss Goodwin. Oh, she's at the access point. She's looking.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Can you state your name, please?
Benita Henry, which was Benita Goodwin back in 1973.
Okay. And you have filed a petition to set aside your convictions. Is that correct, ma'am?
That's correct.
All right. I'm looking here. I have the state police. Have you received anything from the Attorney General's office, ma'am?
I received from Dana Nessel, People versus Benita Henry, Washtenaw County. Given the information currently in possession of the Attorney General, review of Henry's application and criminal history report shows she may be eligible to have her conviction set aside.
Okay. That's what I was looking for.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Ma'am, anything else you want to tell me about your petition? What have you been doing with your wonderful life since the time?
Since that terrible thing back in 73, I worked at Consumers Energy for 14 years. And then I became a first grade teacher for 32 years.
Oh, God bless you.
Thank you. Yeah. And 7 grandchildren and 3 sons.
All right. So where were you teaching? Where were you teaching?
Cascades Elementary, Jackson, Michigan.
Okay. All right.
So I retired 11 years ago.
Okay. All right. And we'll need when you're at the access point. So when you go out to the counter, if what you could do is make sure that the court receives a copy of the Attorney General thing. And then Scott, can you make sure that the clerks send a copy of that to Miss McDuffie?
Yes.
All right. We'll do it that way. So Miss McDuffie has a copy of that also.
Thank you, Judge.
Yep. All right, ma'am. This one I have to say, especially I come from a family of educators, so this one will give me extreme pleasure to indicate that the applicant has not been convicted of more than 3 felonies. The applicant has no convictions for any assaultive offense, and that there are not current criminal charges pending against this defendant, and has not been convicted of any criminal offense within the time period provided by the statute. Court would further indicate that the time period for all of these convictions has indeed elapsed. Would, in this matter, that an opportunity has been given to the Attorney General and the prosecuting official to be heard and contest this matter. Given the representation of the applicant, the court would find that the circumstances and behavior of the applicant, particularly the number of years educating our young people, I'll say that, does indeed warrant, from the date of the application to this time, warrants the setting aside of the convictions. And certainly this court believes that is consistent with the public welfare. Therefore, the petition is granted.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And ma'am, maybe just because of who you are, I actually prepared the order myself. It is all filled out, and wow, yeah. Sometimes these judges do work. So I filled out that. I've signed it. So
that's great.
Momentarily, my bailiff will come up. We'll make sure that all of that paperwork that you have, we have, and you can pick up a copy of your order and take that with you. How's that?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, so there's a clerk waiting for you out there, Miss Goodwin, to help you with what the court's asked for you to do. Okay.